In this video, I'm going to show you a blue ocean opportunity with a market cap size estimated around 104 billion. An opportunity specifically for videographers that can help you finally reach the income goals that you've been aiming for. Just like one of my students, Matt, a freelance videographer who went from working part-time in a family-owned liquor shop to hitting 16K per month by tapping into this exact opportunity. And the best part is, all of his clients are on monthly retainers, so his income stays stable month after month. Every 6- and 7-figure business owner is tapping into this blue ocean opportunity to achieve the kind of results Matt is getting. If you don't know me, my name is Julian. Over the last year, I've helped over 60 videographers just like you turn their videography skills into profitable businesses and make over $3 million, helping them consistently generate 10K, 20K, and even 30K monthly by tapping into this exact opportunity. And to take advantage of this blue ocean opportunity, you don't need to attend countless networking events. You don't have to send endless cold DMs and emails. If you got decent videography skills, you can leverage this opportunity and achieve your dream income of 10K, 20K, even 30K per month. Now you're probably wondering, what is this blue ocean opportunity and why should you even care? I'll get to that in a sec, but first let me ask you this. Are you making the kind of income you expected when you started on your videography journey? Well, since you're watching this video, probably not. The biggest problem you're facing isn't just finding clients, it's finding high paying clients. Clients who pay you 2 to 3K, even 5K per month. But the sad reality is that most videographers fail to land those kind of clients. I bet you're also wondering why most videographers struggle to find clients who pay them what they're worth. You see, being a videographer or just selling videographer service has turned into a commodity. Quality videos are good to look at and might provide value to a few who understand their importance, but for most clients, videography services have become like a commodity, similar to groceries. That's why you might find clients constantly trying to pay you less, because that's exactly what happens with a commoditized service. And it might seem like I'm knocking videographers, but that's not the case. I've been one since 2011, but that's the reality. With so many videographers out there, most businesses don't see the value in paying a lot of money for your services, treating them like a commodity. But here's where things get better. If you can position your service as something that isn't a commodity, a service that actually solves a problem for your clients, you can stand out from the crowd of other videographers and charge 2x, 3x, and even 5x the total market rate. That's where this blue ocean opportunity comes in, becoming an authority creator instead of a videographer. A service sector valued at around 104 billion in 2022 and projected to reach 528 billion by 2030. And the good part is, to tap into this blue ocean market, you don't need to change what you do or learn new skills. In fact, this shift from a videographer to an authority creator, charging 2 to 3K monthly retainers to businesses, only requires you to follow these 2 steps. Step 1, creating a unique, scalable authority creator offer. The first shift is to stop selling just videography services, a highly commoditized space like I mentioned. Instead, you need to create a new kind of offer, an authority creator offer, using your existing videography skills to deliver results. You see, we're living in a trust recession, a time when earning trust from customers is harder than ever. And this is a huge problem for most business owners. Why? Because if their customers don't trust them, then their business slows down. Now, this may be a problem for them, but it's an opportunity for you. So if you approach a business owner and promise to help them build a personal brand that in return builds trust and authority for their business, they'll be happy to pay you top dollar. Because when you help them build trust, you help them attract more customers. And again, the best part is you don't have to change anything about what you're already doing. Just use your videography skills to help them create high quality, authority content that builds their brand. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Sev, a real estate media company owner from my community, thought the same thing until he shifted his model. He went from doing one-off gigs to offering authority creator monthly retainer packages and added an additional $8,400 to his monthly recurring revenue in just 2 months. Not to mention, with well-known creators like Alex Hermosi, Myron Golden, and Gary Vee encouraging people to build content, they've practically paved the way, making it even easier for you to sell this kind of offer. One client in the program, Casey, now has clients literally flying from the East Coast to San Diego and paying him $4,000 a month just to film content. That's how much demand there is for this type of service. There simply aren't enough videographers to fulfill this growing need, making it a true blue ocean opportunity. Step 2, building a stable client acquisition machine. While creating a unique offer to become authority creators will position you to charge more and earn stable monthly revenue, the question now becomes, how do you actually get clients for your authority creator offer? Well, for that, you need a simple client acquisition machine that brings in clients on demand, like the Authority Creator Blueprint. And this doesn't involve cold DMs, relying on referrals, or depending solely on your network. Instead, it's a combination of authority building content and targeted ads that can deliver clients reliably and predictably. Now, you might be thinking, ads are scary and I'm going to lose money. Well, that's exactly what Tony thought too. But with the proven ad scripts and strategies I teach inside the Authority Creator Blueprint, he turned a $450 ad spend into $7,200 in revenue. He felt like he was putting money in and getting it right back out. This system made him a client acquisition machine, allowing him to get high-paying clients for his new offer on demand. Now, over the next few weeks, I'm looking to work with a small group of ambitious videographers to help them tap into this blue ocean market of authority creators and finally achieve a consistent 10K per month income. But let me be clear, I don't work with everyone. We have a strict no excuses policy. This isn't for lazy dreamers expecting to get rich overnight. But if you qualify, here's what you'll get inside the Authority Creators Blueprint. First, I'll walk you through the exact blueprint and systems I use to take my agency from 0 to 30K a month. This isn't just how to get clients. It's a complete system you can install into your business. I'll show you what most videographers do wrong when selling their offers and how to position yourself as an authority creator to charge 3 to 4 times more for the same work. Once you've got your scalable, premium price authority creator offer, I'll personally guide you through building a reliable, proven client acquisition system tailored specifically to your business. A system that not only gets clients, but also positions you as an authority, allowing you to land high-ticket retainers easily without the sweaty sales calls, with a mix of proven ad scripts and strategies. In fact, I'll guide you every step of the way from landing your first client to scaling to 10K, 20K, and even 30K within months. You'll receive proven ad scripts, sales scripts, and strategies to take you from having a lead to a booked call to a closed client and money in the bank, even if you don't have a long list of past clients. Take Jermaine, for example. He was completely new to videography and felt unsure about his skills. No surprise since he was just getting started. But within the first week of joining, he landed his first retainer client. Yes, my method is that effective. And lastly, my team and I will monitor your progress and fine-tune your strategy so you always know the next step to reach your goals. In fact, here's the deal. If I can't help you land 5 retainer clients or help you hit 10K a month in the next 90 days, I'll work with you for free until you do. With one condition, you have to follow the blueprint. Imagine this, just 90 days from now, you could be making $10,000 to $30,000 a month, working only 2 to 5 hours a day and running the business of your dreams. And this won't be a fluke. It'll be every single month for the next 5, 10, even 15 years. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms, spend more time with your family, travel, and pursue your passions, and feel secure in your ability to earn a stable income. No more getting undercut on prices or taking clients who don't respect you. Instead, you have the confidence to charge what you're worth, attract as many clients as you want without constantly needing to network or work more than you already do. If you're ready to take control of your future and become an authority creator, I invite you to book a call with me. We'll discuss where you're at, where you want to go, and if the Authority Creator Blueprint can help you get there. If I can't help, I'll be upfront and give you a roadmap you can implement on your own. So by booking a call, you have nothing to lose. Scroll below this video, find a time that suits you, and save your spot. And remember, if you follow the Authority Creator Blueprint and I can't help you land 5 retainer clients or hit 10K a month in the next 90 days, I'll work with you for free until you do. So that's how confident I am in my Authority Creator Blueprint, so don't wait. The path to a profitable, rewarding business with stable monthly revenue is just one call away. Scroll below, book a roadmap call, and let's start building the career you deserve.